All right, number 2. Again, we're going to write the statement in the if P then Q form. It says no rational numbers are not real. So we have a double negative. No rational numbers are not real numbers. So in other words, rational numbers are real numbers if you get rid of the nots. So be careful, sometimes they do that. So no rational numbers are not real numbers. And it sounds weird when you read it, but if you get rid of the no, you can kind of see what's going on in the not. So that double negative, kind of like in math, when we do a negative times a negative, we get a positive. Same thing here. If I take away the negative, the no, and the not, then I get rational numbers are real numbers, kind of like statement 1. So we want to write this in the if P then Q so that it's true. If a number is a rational number, then it is a real number. So that's kind of like what we have here, getting rid of the not. If a number is a real number, then it is a rational number. This reverses the order. If a number is a real number, then it is a rational number. That doesn't hold true because you have some irrational numbers. And then C says if a number is not a rational number, then it is not a real number. And this is also not true. Not a rational number could be irrational. And then it says it's not a real number, and irrational numbers are real. So the one that would be true in this case would be A. Okay. And again, I want to do another example just to kind of help see what's going on. We want to make a true statement. This one says no person in the Midwest is not in the United States. So again, it has that double negative. No person in the Midwest is not in the United States. Okay, so if we get rid of the no, person, or we can just say a person in the Midwest is in the United States. Okay, so this one says if a person is in the United States, then the person is in the Midwest. Kind of reverses the order without the nots. That's not necessarily true. Okay, if a person is in the Midwest, then the person is in the United States. And then, which kind of holds just the same thing as getting rid of the double negative. And then C says if a person is not in the Midwest, then the person is not in the United States. Okay, so the only one that's going to be true here is going to be B.